Good morning, all of you. Welcome to English class. My name is J. Chandibabu. I am working as a English guest teacher in MJPAB BCWR School, Samnasa. You know already. Our exam paper will be given for 100 marks. There are 3 sections. Section A 30 marks, Section B 40 marks, Section C 30 marks, total 100 marks. Today we are going to discuss question number 70 from Section B. It is voice. What is meant by voice? Voice is nothing but a way of expressing your thoughts. So there are 2 types of voice, active voice and passive voice. First we have to know what is meant by active voice. Active voice is nothing but if a sentence starting with the subject, it is called active voice. Next one, passive voice. What is meant by passive voice? Passive voice is nothing but if a sentence starting with the receiver of the action, it is called passive voice. How do we change active voice into passive voice? There are 6 basic rules to change active voice into passive voice. The first one is find the SVO, means subject, verb, object. Second one is convert object into subject. Third one, use suitable helping verb. Fourth one, convert the main verb into third form. Fifth one, use preposition by. Last one, convert subject into object. Okay. Now we have to learn how to change active voice into passive voice. We have to follow the 6 basic rules to change active voice into passive voice. The first one is find the subject, verb, object. Here Rama is the subject, killed is the verb 2, Ravana is the object. Then convert object into subject. What is object here? Ravana. So we have to convert as a subject. Ravana. Then we have to use suitable helping verb. Here killed is past tense. When it is past tense, we have to use was or were. If the subject is when it is singular, we have to use was. When the subject is plural, we have to use were. When the subject is in present tense, we have to use is, am, are. Okay, we have to remember this. So we have to use suitable helping verb. So killed is past tense. So we have to use was. So Ravana is singular number because we have to use was. Then convert the main verb into third form. So the main verb of third form is killed, killed, killed. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. It is the third form. So we have to write third form, killed. Then we have to use preposition after verb 3. So it is by. Then convert the subject into object. What is the subject here? Rama. So it is convert as a object in the passive voice. It is passive voice. Then second example, Sam Smith distributed newspaper in Rameswaram. So here Sam Smith is the subject, distributed is the verb 2, newspaper is the object. Already I told, when we have to change active voice into passive voice, we have to write, we have to convert object into a subject. What is the subject here? Newspaper is the object. So starting with newspaper. Newspapers were. So newspapers is plural form because we have to write were. Newspapers were distributed in Rameswaram by Shamsuddin. Newspapers were distributed in Rameswaram by Shamsuddin. Now we have to know when the subject is pronoun, the conversion will be like this. I will becomes me. He will becomes him. She will becomes her. They becomes them. We becomes us. So you have to remember this properly and prepare well for your examination. Thank you.